Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Microsoft Teams, how to prevent starting automatically in Windows. Click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Click Start Up. Turn off Microsoft Teams. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administract. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Open Run. Right-click Teams. Click Delete. Click Yes to delete. Close and exit Registry Editor. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.